You are going to love the 2024 Mazda 3. The Mazda 3 meets your vehicle wants and needs. Powerful and economical, technologically savvy, and boasting top safety features, the Mazda 3 is the total package. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, leather-wrapped steering wheel, trip computer, compass, electronic stability control, day-night rear-view mirror, brake assist, tachometer, leather seats. Rediscover the joy of driving and turn everyday